Welcome to this presentation on bending metal. We'll be using the metal brake in the Industrial Design Studio, and Sean has cut out a flat pattern of aluminum to show us how to bend metal into the shape of a box. The brake is composed of two main elements: the clamping bar, which the metal is inserted underneath right now, and it's operated by a lever on the right. The front gate-like plate is hinged and can be lifted, forcing the material over the straight edge to create a bend. Note that Sean's slightly overbent the metal and has pulled it back to the desired angle, which in this case is 90 degrees. The clamping bar is angled so that there's a space behind it in which small returns can fit. We can see that there's limitations, though. That return can't be too long, otherwise it will impinge on the back of the clamping bar. Likewise, when we go to bend the other end, that small return will make contact with the clamping bar as the plate is pulled up. Sean is working within the limitations of the brake to create clean and discrete bends in the metal, and then either pushing or pulling it to achieve the final desired angles. This brake is called a box and pan brake, sometimes known as a finger brake. A unique feature is that the clamping bar includes several removable blocks, which may be rearranged to permit bending of restricted areas of a piece of sheet metal or of an already partially formed piece. You can see that the fingers that Sean's removed are going to now allow him to complete the remaining bends, even though two of them have already been turned to 90 degrees. That small return tab will have to be slightly pushed out of the way in order to pass the finger. The piece can be removed, turned around, and the final side can be bent into position. And that's it. We've got a small box-like structure. The corners could now be screwed, riveted, welded, or soldered together. And that's it for bending metal.